The world around us pulses with an energy that won't always be peaceful, a constant hum of activity and expectation. But within that external symphony of noise and motion, you can cultivate your own quiet. You can choose to be the calm center. True peace isn't found in a life devoid of problems. That's an illusion. It's the profound ability to stay centered while they exist, to anchor yourself in the present moment, even as the future feels uncertain. When chaos surrounds you, your instinct might be to look outward for a solution, for an escape. Instead, turn your focus inward. This is where your power lies. It begins with a single conscious action. Take a breath. Feel the air fill your lungs, and then release it slowly. This simple act is a powerful tool to interrupt the cycle of stress. It creates a space between a trigger and your reaction, allowing you to respond with intention. Ground yourself. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Notice the texture, the temperature. This physical connection brings you back to your body, back to the here and now. Think of the morning commute, the pressure of a deadline, or a difficult conversation. These are the moments that test our inner peace. Instead of reacting with frustration or anger, you can choose to respond. You can take that breath in traffic. You can pause before sending that heated email. You can find a moment of stillness before tackling the next task. You cannot control the storm, the traffic, or the expectations of others. The waves will crash and the winds will blow. But you can learn to stand steady. You can be the calm within it, observing the chaos without being consumed by it. Your stability doesn't come from changing the world, but from mastering your inner state. Peace is not a destination you arrive at on perfect, sunlit days. It is a practice, a skill you build within yourself. One moment, one breath, one conscious choice at a time. It is forged in the small victories over your own reactivity, creating a resilient sanctuary that you can carry with you, always.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.